to fix the airplane from a nice storm cloud with swing in the storm cloud.
Ooh.
And it got thunder and lightning.
Oh, wow.
So they have to fix it. And there's the balloon storm.
Hi, Car.
Let's get that off of you.
Oh, wrong way. That's just making it. She's good. She's good.
Oh, nuts. Come back here.
She ends up walking it off of her. Balloon. Got your big rattly ball?
Is your balloon?
And where's your baby? Where'd your baby go?
I think I know.
Where's your baby?
She's in the shore.
Baby.
Here's your baby. Whoa, look at baby.
You've got your baby. Yeah.
But did you know I have a cooler toy than that?